So it's finally time to do some performance modifications on the NC1. If you guys watched the last video, we focused a lot on the interior, doing the new wheel, the new rev limiter gauge faces, and we did a whole deep cleaning with a bunch of little mods to make the interior so fresh and new, and it's been really nice. Another thing that needed to be freshened up are these headlights. So I did a light buff on them with the Turtle Wax brand, Turtle Wax brand headlight restoration kit. They're fine, they do all right. I didn't want to do like a full deep restoration of taking the lenses out and doing all that because we'll be putting some halo lights in these eventually. So we'll do all of that then, but just clean them up, buffed them, and they turned out pretty nice. So got the front end off to do that. If you guys are curious on how to take the front end off an NC, I have a video on that in the upper right-hand corner right here. It is an NC2, but same kind of concept applies. So we're gonna be doing our intake today and throwing on that front bash bar because it doesn't fit with the NOPRO bumper. If you guys are curious, quick update. If you're not sure what I'm talking about my NC2 project, which we've been putting the Fab 9 turbo kit in. Basic update to this is I've got the intake manifold on and all of the little things that still need to go in. Obviously there hasn't been a video on this in a bit. It's because there's so many just little things to do to this car that I'm filming as I go, and then I'll release like one big update video because it's just been tedious work doing one little small thing at a time, making a video, posting it, and I know they're not huge updates. So we're gonna do one big update, but we're working on the NC1 in this video. All right, so here we have the Track Dog Racing intake kit. It comes with filter, the little plate to go on the firewall, the MAF adapter, their intake tube, and then a little adapter to get from our elbow. You know I can't help myself. I needed some NOPRO bits on this car. And thank you to Brad for sending the elbow over. We did a little trade. I traded him my carbon fiber intake chamber for the NOPRO one. So super cool. I know it's red, but I've also got a red valve cover that we can throw in. Not in this video, but you guys know if you've watched the videos, we need to throw in a valve cover gasket. So might as well just throw in some nice red stuff as well. But Track Dog provides instructions for this. It seems pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna throw on the front bash bar, get the intake out and everything, and we're just gonna knock this out. It should go by pretty quick, and then we'll do a little sound test afterwards. Track Dog Racing intake kit is on, along with their super cool ECU bracket. So we've got two of the pieces from their super cool kit. I had the ECU bracket on the red car for a little bit. I bought it to put it back on the red car. It's not gonna fit with the intercooler piping, so figured I'd save it. And luckily we can use it for this. So 2 mods in 1 video, well 3, including the Doryoku front crash bar with the front jacking point. So that should make things a little bit easier. Leftover parts are cool. I feel like I haven't spent any money on this car and I've just been able to throw everything on, and it's been fun. So let's get a little sound test. All right, so it's definitely not as pronounced as some other intakes I've had. Now, this is the most functional intake, or one of the most functional intakes on the market that you can buy, but it doesn't have that same growl. I don't know if it's just the design of it or maybe the filter's a little bit smaller. Doesn't matter, I still love it. It does sound a little bit better, a little bit more grunty. Once you get the bumper back on, you probably won't hear it as much, but it's going to provide extra cooling through our radiator because we took out that ECU splash shield and everything like that. Not that the ECU is going to get wet. Don't worry guys, I'm not an idiot. Performance upgrades nonetheless. So I'm going to get everything back together on this car and then we will take it out for a drive. Now I'm not going to sit here and tell you that the intake has made this car so much more powerful. If anything, cleaning the MAF sensor has made it run a little bit smoother. It was really, really dirty. But out on a little spirited back road here, this is one of the older roads that I used to drive back in high school. Me and my friends would get up here and just rip around, and it got really bad road quality, and now they've repaved it. So it's really nice. We're gonna take it easy. There's lots of people that live over here now, but it is an incredibly fun road, albeit short. You get some nice turns in. Now the big thing with the intake is it's their super cool kit. So the main focus is to open up more space behind the radiator. Now I have their battery relocation in my red car, my NC2, but with the intake and the ECU bracket replacement, it has opened up probably 50% of the radiator. And as far as sound goes, let's say it's like maybe a 10% improvement. Compared to other intakes, you know, you guys heard it with the bumper off a second ago, but compared to other intakes, if you're just looking for sound, you're not going to get it with this intake. However, you are getting the cooling performance. You're getting a little bit better flow. You're getting less heat draw with the silicone hose compared to the thin plastic that comes OEM. Getting a different air filter. It's a totally different design, but it does offer like a 10% sound improvement, which is pretty nice. You know, I don't want this car to be insanely loud or anything like that. It just sounds a little bit more throaty in the engine. So second gear pull here. I hate this short shifter so much. It just cannot find a gear. But Track Dog Racing is a reputable brand. They're located right here in DFW. They track their cars. They make parts to track their cars. Proven results as far as the cooling goes. And if you guys know, in Texas, it gets hot in the summer. So this will definitely come in handy once it starts heating up outside, making sure our radiator and everything is working as efficient as it can be. But I do plan to upgrade the radiator in this car, throw in the upgraded water pump that I put on the NC2, and just have this thing be super reliable, never overheat, keep cool, just be efficient.
because you guys probably know the NC1 engines are a little less strong, a little weaker than the NC2. Really nothing like to worry about, but it's just something to keep in mind. I want this to be like a really, really good cruiser car, a really good street car, and we're gonna make those upgrades eventually. For now, just gonna enjoy the car as it is. I think it does need a muffler though. What do you guys think? It definitely sounds like a sporty car, but it needs to sound a little bit more aggressive. I think we need to throw on some kind of muffler onto this car to make it a little bit louder. But otherwise, there's not too much else to say about the Track Dog Racing intake. We threw in our front bar, our ECU bracket, we threw in our intake. Everything's working great. No check engine lights, and I'm happy with it. It was a good upgrade to me. I know that it's making the cooling effect better in this car, just making it more efficient, and I'm happy with that. A lot of times you'll install mods, and while they don't sound louder, they don't make the car faster, you know that it's putting in the work. It's doing the right things that it needs to do. So, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go down below and hit subscribe, because we've got plenty more to come for this car. We've got a rear sway bar coming. We've got a clutch pedal / master cylinder upgrade / maintenance sort of thing. And we've got the roll bar to do so. And I've got my first Japan part coming, which is super excited. So make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.